Okay. Let's do this. This time I have audio, I think. That's good. That's very good. We'll have more of the audio with this cinematic action volume. Wait. I tried this already, I think. Wow, shit. What's wrong? Cinematic metal. You have to open it. Oh, okay. In the meantime, Unity. Hmm. Unity. Okay, cinematic metal. What do we have here? We know. Icarus Falls. It's like some kind of. Let's. This is metal? Really? Then I don't like metal. Enter safe mode. The project you are opening. Compilation errors. Yeah, it does. Yeah, ignore. Ignore, it does. It's because I left it yesterday without fixing compilation errors. Oh. A lot of work. But no work, no pay. Let me see. What compilation errors? This is fantastic code. There's no compilation error here. Okay, so we have destination. What is this? Where? Oh, here. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. No errors. Where? See. Wow, this is metal? Really? No wonder I don't like metal. Huh? Ah, nice. It's working actually. That's strange. Hey, gaming forever. Okay, so it's working. Oh, all my soldiers died. That's why they cannot move anymore. Okay. We did? I didn't realize. I have, you know, basically like stopped taking care of the baby, and I have time to do this. Oh, okay. You should probably you should probably focus on streaming. Wow, you have a lot of stuff on your stream.
There we go, download.
Okay, I really have to work on the game because I have like, I don't know, less than an hour. Let's try to do something actually here. Don't remember. What was I supposed to do? Oh, I have to move this element. Oh, god damn it. Actually, I'm going to have to actually. I misclicked. Oh, why are you using Unity this time? Aren't you supposed to, you know, be making the game about Frog? Why did you decide to move to Unity? There were some problems, I remember, with this gentleman called John Limoncello. How to do it? Because controls move. Oh my god. I don't know. That's a tough. Position object. So with the camera, I will always follow the player group. Player controls. If I put, we have camera follow object, right? We put the follow object on player group. Put player controls as a target. Let's see what happens. Wow, camera is moving rather. But at least it's working actually. not that bad. More than dynamic, I think. Oh, you know what? I don't want to kill these last soldiers. Well, hmm. Oh, okay, I get it. Shooting. We have two objects. One is for movement and one is for the shooting target. So let's make it closer actually. Why not? Very nice. If we go back, well, that's allowing the soldiers to go back. Maybe not that bad, not that good an idea, but we'll see. Okay. Okay. Hmm. That's nice. What if the shooting target was actually the same position? Like, exactly the same. What would happen then? If we had only one, like, cursor. Hmm. Kill those guys. Ah, God damn it. What if? Because now that I can go back and forth with the soldiers. Those barriers, those, you know, suppression zones kind of don't make sense. Hmm. Kind of don't make sense anymore. Let me think. What was the name of this script? Suppression something. Ah, it's in the main suppression zone controller. Let's disable it for a moment. My collider. On trigger enter. You know what? Yeah, I'm trying. Basically, I'm making the misleading ads game exactly. That was the main idea, but it evolved, or it devolved into something else. The original idea was, I think you have to do game design document. So this was the original idea. With that, you know, basically the same logic as in those misleading mobile games where you add 5 soldiers or divide. I don't know who would take divide by 2. That's just stupid. But they have those in the commercials, in those ads. And I thought it was a very nice idea, a very simple idea for a small little project. Now it's that basically I don't have good game design document for this game. And this game is being designed as I program it, so yeah, I think that because you know when they play the game in the advertisement, right? They usually exactly what you said, rage biting. That's interesting word. I didn't know this was the technique they use, because you see them playing so miserably and you want to download the game and play it correctly. But I'm not that stupid. I wouldn't download this game 6 times. But now I'm basically making a game for fun. Player controls. Let me just disable this. If false. And nice. Well, you are working in game dev, mobile game dev. Oh, that's nice. Whoa, wow. How do you land a job in Unity mobile game dev? Is it hard to be to get a job there? I don't know how to slow those guys down. How to... Maybe I should basically slow them down. Like actually slow them down. Wow, tech lead, nice, congratulations. Congratulations. I'm working as a Java developer. Wow, what a shot. And I really start losing my heart to Java. That's too easy. This game is too easy right now. Oh, maybe that will slow them down. Unity editor crap. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's very nice when someone gets fired and you are not. One, I mean, it has to be. I don't know. I'm on the other side usually. Okay, so we start again. Probably I'll have to set something up because I didn't save at all today. And now it's too late. Oh yeah, oh Jesus. Yeah, let's put it back into 0. Maybe something is not that well configured here in my environment. I don't know. Maybe some assets cause problems to Unity. That happens. Like some days it crashes like every few minutes and sometimes it doesn't even once a day. How to make them slower, because currently what can happen, the player can just do this. Like a run for it, you know. Oh, little too fast. Yeah, it's actually possible, it seems. Right. Yeah, so it's possible and easy to just run this game, like speed run. Oh my god. Oh, I know. I think I know what's going on. I know what the crashes are. Why the crashes are happening. They usually are. They usually are somewhat related to particle systems. So maybe that's the problem. But how do you move them? Do you not have a max speed that you can? Yeah, well, the soldiers, I can limit the max speed. Um, but if there is enough soldiers, I could balance it with just the sheer numbers of the enemies, or make the enemies shoot better. Maybe that's enough. Maybe I'm worrying too much. Huh. Yeah, you could also set up invisible walls. Yeah, I did it. It makes the game less dynamic. Let me see. I just disabled it when you came to this stream. Let me show you. It kind of makes the enemies less dynamic. The game less dynamic. See, it's like... Oh shit, I forgot. Yeah, I don't save usually, and that's when oh no, I have to put it again. No, this is okay. Okay, what was there? I didn't save something and now the game is broken. This should follow this. Yeah, let's save it this time. Will it... Nice. Please don't crash. Okay. Yeah, so... Then... Well... It looks artificial. Pretty artificial, you know, in my opinion. It looks pretty artificial. Yeah, I get what you mean with the game becoming less dynamic. Basically, it's a question whether you wanna resolve it through gameplay or balancing, make it only viable to destroy enemies instead of running past them. You could place the walls behind the enemies that... Oh, that's... That's interesting idea. But you know what? Maybe you're right. Maybe I should not block the player artificially at all with the walls, like in Dark Souls. They don't block you, right, with invisible walls. You can just run past the enemies to the boss. So yeah, maybe I should just try with, like, balance it with my values here. Oh no, I forgot that. Yeah, I think so. That's an idea. Or but you know what? Whatever I choose, I think the invisible wall is a bad idea. I have the gut feeling. Yeah, so for now let's say that game design document says there are no suppression zones. Let's just disable them for now. Or even, you know what? Strike and check the player controls. Okay, that will work. Yeah, I think the invisible walls. I should let the player decide what strategy will they take. Like they could. Oh, see, that's easy. Now, what I could do probably is to limit the speed of this marker, like a target marker, because currently I can just run away. Also, it's very not very visible. It's not very visible. Hmm. I like this guy. I like this guy very much. I like to watch this guy. It's like relaxing scene, you know. Anyways, that's a suggestion. You could also make it so that the next choice, not divide whatever, doesn't appear if the previous batch of enemies is alive. That's the guy couldn't care less. Yeah, yeah. That's. I also like this lady is also pretty indifferent, you know. But it depends on the random number generator, because she could be actually pretty um, active here, like this. I have an idea. Maybe she should do this the first time the player passes her, and the next time she should be like indifferent, like the war made her indifferent to the human suffering, you know. That's interesting. idea, but maybe that's not my main problem currently. The gameplay is the main problem. Yeah, blocking bonus areas could be interesting. Could be interesting. Yeah, but that's for the later stages of development. Currently, let's try to figure out what we have to do here. I think when I disabled the magic barriers, invisible walls, I only have to make this like cursor, you know, behave correctly, because currently it can just leave the bridge and walk and move too fast, faster than the soldiers. So maybe we should do something about that, and that would be like some gameplay. It would be gameplay enough. Next, I would just have to add more soldiers here and there to block the players. Maybe finish the logic for the hospital and the two bosses. And that would be nice. And that would be nice first level. Yeah, I think so. Let's do it. Okay, so how to make the... let me think. What do we already have here? We have player group, camera positioning object. Camera positioning object. Hmm. I, you know what? Accidentally, camera follows the cursor, let's call it that way, horizontally, which I didn't expect, but maybe it's not that bad. So, okay, that's okay. Now, should probably... Controls, player group. Oh. So this is the main leader, let's say. If hmm. Let me think. Have to find... Wait. Let me see something. Let's do a little test, because I smell a bug. Player controls. Oh. This will be always Oh, that's interesting. This is an object that like follows the last soldier. So that the camera always sees the last soldier. That's nice. But let's see now what's the state. Yeah, so the oh god damn it. That's going to be a problem. This is a sphere that senses enemy soldiers. So those guys will shoot soldiers who are passed by this ball, which is a problem because they are now seeing too much. Hmm. You're going to focus on your project. That's a very good idea. That's there. Yeah. Thanks very much for watching, and good luck with your project. Bye. Jesus Christ. Let me think. Hmm. So we have player group object, camera positioning object that always follows the last alive soldier. Now we also have player controls object and shooting target object and projector, but that's not just addition. Player controls. Player controls. God damn it. So this is the icon that shows the soldiers where they should go and shoot. Mm. Okay, let's say, God damn it, who sets this? Let's see. You set this targeting controller player group controller, right? Yay. Camera position. Okay. Mm. Okay, so why not? Let's do this. I'll take this object and use it. Control speed, player controls. Why not? Let's make the game. Let's not over engineer this shit. Suppression is not necessary anymore. Player input. I don't use this. Yes. Okay. Suppress. This is not used. Okay. Yeah, just comment it out. Or you know what? Let's just screw it. It's never suppressed. It's not suppressed. It's never suppressed. See, the code is already cleaner. Clean and nice. Very nice. No, I don't need this. We have the camera positioning object. We can do what? If distance transform position is if this distance is smaller than max now we just have to add this nice field. It will be like, let's make it 10. Let's make it 10. I feel very good about this decision to remove those invisible walls. Those were, it's first of all, it's simpler. But also, once in a while, let's save. You know what? Let's just do it. I have to pay for every save, but new line at the end of every file. Let's see. Working? No, crashed. We have crashed. We didn't set this. That's true. That's true. Unity wasn't fooled. Player controls. Unity wasn't fooled. Player controls. Let's see. Let's see. It's working. It's actually working. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. I have some idea that could marry like both. Wow, I have a nice idea. I have a nice idea. I just lost, but that's not a problem. I have a nice idea. Okay, you know what? I have a very, very nice idea. And I know it, clap your hands. If you have a nice idea and you know it, clap your hands. Suppression zone gets to hell. Can I? Their controls goes to scripts. If you have a nice idea and you know it, clap your hands. I have a nice idea. Maybe, let's say, the enemy soldiers have hmm, enemy. Let's say the enemy soldiers influence our soldiers in a way that they don't want to. Our soldiers don't want to like move near them. Because usually during the war, you wouldn't like to go too close to your enemy, right? So we could add some nice barrier to our enemy soldiers, and very easily probably. But first, let's go to the prefabs, and in particular, enemy group. Let's remove this stupid suppression zone. It was a stupid idea, but you have to do something like a experiment and check if the idea is correct, because sometimes you have to. Without making Starfield, you would never know that it would be fantastic idea. And it is. Enemy soldier. We have. No, I don't think so. Okay. So to add like invisible wall. So I'm moving back to the idea of invisible wall, but different kind. Different kind. That's even better. But okay, let's try with adding something like not only to the enemy soldier, but also as a separate object. Let's make it like I have no idea how to name it. Let's what do we have if it comes to nav mesh? Nav mesh agent, nav mesh obstacle, nav mesh link, nav mesh modifier, volume, surface. Nav mesh surface. What is this? Oh no, that's not the thing. It's basically a surface. Okay, remove. Different thing. What do we have? Nav mesh modifier volume. What does it do? What does it do? And why should it? Why does it have to be like a? Couldn't it be like sphere or something? Jesus. Size, center, edit volume. I can't. It's just a. So all jump, not walkable. I like it. Hmm. Jesus, I'm starting a new idea without finishing the first one. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to GitHub and create an issue, brand new issue for this. It will be an issue. So basically, what I want to do, maybe instead, I thought it would be easy to do with like nav mesh obstacle or something like that. But maybe it will be better if we create like area effect on every enemy, so that when a soldier collides with this like trigger of an enemy, the soldier's speed gets decreased, and so when the soldier is near a group of like 10 enemies, his speed will just basically go down to 0. Would that create problems uh, with stalling soldiers? No, I don't think so, because then we cannot move faster than the last soldier too much. So we will just wait for the last soldier to either win his fight or die. That's a nice idea. I like it. That's for tomorrow probably. For today, let's just create it as a task. So Very nice. I will remember what I wanted here tomorrow, and or not necessarily tomorrow, but this is pretty important to the gameplay. Can we add a label like can I add the label like very important task? Let's make it okay. Blue can be. Blue is a nice. Okay, it can be blue. Okay, great label. Will be deep. Nice. So now we have our circle, which is very well green, but you know, hardly, I can hardly see it. That's interesting idea. But okay, but the fact that it's hard to see, it's not that bad. But the fact that it can get out of the gameplay area, run away of the game, because maybe it's, you know, ashamed of being here. This is a problem. This is a problem. And how to fix it? Maybe I could check in the runtime, or I could just basically hard code some values. So my idea would be to hard code some values. But I don't know if this is necessary in that case. Plain bullet impact area. I don't think so. Let's remove it. And if there are problems, we'll see during testing. But now we'll just hard code some values. So player controls. Control speed, distance. Load. Okay. Translation. Translate. Can we somehow lerp? Not lerp. What I'm clump. No. Can we? No. Vector free. This translation. Okay, so this is translation. Okay, so basically if transform x is smaller than mean x, ah, God damn it. Bigger than max x. Oh, yeah, then in this case we can do actually. Okay, so new pause x quotes mat clamp between this and this, and this gets to hell, and this goes back here. Very nice. Now we just have to find the values. Let's say, let's create some object, create empty in position 0, 0, 0, and it will be like -4.5 to 4.5. Very nice. Interesting what happens when I reach the border and I press oh no, I think no, that's not the problem with the boundary actually. The problem with that's some problem, but not that big. Let's not care about it too much. They shoot me. Still. They should not be shooting me. This is fantastic game. Okay. I think this gameplay is actually kind of okay right now. I made it simpler by removing some stuff and it's better. It's usually how it works. Simplicity is better than complexity. Don't need some invisible walls. We can probably slow down the soldiers by adding this fear suppression areas around the players that slow them down, that block them. It will slow them down. Will make sense actually. See the mines? The mines work. That's nice. This actually plays nice. So you know what? I'm saving this and I'm committing this and I'm merging it with the main branch. I really think this is good direction. This is good direction. Let's do this. Okay, git commit. The fence line. I added the concept of the fence line and immediately removed the concept of the fence line. But this is how you do it. You test, experiment, add the concept of target control. What? Yeah, maybe that new control system. Okay. Issue closes 61. Closes 61. But let's not close it immediately. Push. Okay, everything is pushed. Now, branches. Do we have branches? New pull request. Wow. Pull requests in Unity have to be fun. It will be from the spike to main. Why this is called main? Oh, I get it. So, wow, that's interesting. I know why this build, this pull request started the build. Oh. Or no. You know what? Cancel. I closed something by accident. You just closed a dockable window. If you would like to show it again, use the docs menu. Lock docs, reset docs, scenes, custom. What do we have here? Chat. in case I have chat. I don't think. Where is it? Where is the file? Okay, I will have to change the configuration of the action because now apparently it starts a build whenever I do pull request, and I don't want that. New control system. Let's merge it. I don't need this. Build my project details. Merge this. Yes. Confirm. I approve it. It's totally great. Let's delete the branch. Issues. Now we can close this. And now we can look at the tasks. Create suppression effect. This will be for tomorrow. Target control. That's a maybe. Joystick for Android is broken. I don't think so anymore. Soldiers shoot through the sandbags. Well, you know what? Maybe they should be able to actually shoot through the sandbags. But okay, it's too pacifistic. WebGL version is too pacifistic. We'll see about that. Constant. Ooh, that's not very important. It's like opposite of this. This is very important. This is very important. General Magoringovich and General Kwasniewski really, well, this one really needs some vodka, I think. But they need their AI scripts. I think we're almost ready for adding AI scripts for those generals. The balls sometimes merge together. You know what? This is no longer relevant because the balls got kicked out. How do you remove delete issue? Yeah. That's how you do the work. Delete issues and first level. Almost ready, man. Almost ready. Very close to. I'm so excited. This is better. I was pretty stressed about this, but now it's better. Oh. You know what? I deserve some rest. Thank you very much for watching. Have a very nice day. Bye.